Go then. About 1100. Jesse, what are you doing?
Seeing if you can get furthest, shortest and best improved car.
So, what's the key thing about that?
The wheels and how they don't like stick as much.
So they run really friction free. What did you do to get the wheels to spin really freely?
Use graphite.
So you put graphite on the axles and they run really free. You've got the longest run, but then you've got to get the shortest run, and distance between the two is the winner. So how do you get the shortest run?
Squeeze the wheels in to keep that friction, to like kind of gain friction about like there or in there,
Yep.
so that it doesn't like spin as much, but you still want it to be able to like roll a bit.
Yes. Oh mate, you won't get better than that. Yes. That is bonkers, that is.